Welcome, brilliant mathematicians, to our exciting new explainer adventure. Today, we're diving into the super secret magic of numbers. Seriously, get ready to unlock some amazing math tools that are going to make adding and subtracting feel like an absolute piece of cake. Let's get right into it.
Here's a quick question to kick off our quest. Did you know that just three little numbers can magically turn into four completely different equations? I mean, no way, right? Think about it for a second. Do you know this magical secret? Shout out your guess if you think you know it. Okay, let's see exactly how this works.
Our first big magical tool for today's quest is something called a fact family. A fact family is simply a group of four related equations that all use the exact same three numbers. You can kind of think of them as a team of numbers that always stick together. They are totally connected, and they actually help each other out. Let's watch how these numbers magically swap around. We'll use the numbers 3, 4, and 7. First, we can add 3 plus 4 equals 7. But wait, we can also flip that addition around to say 4 plus 3 equals 7. It's the same team, just standing in a different order. Then we switch to subtraction. We start with our biggest number, 7, and take away 3 to get 4. Or we can take that 7 and take away 4 to get 3. So we've got two addition equations and two subtraction equations. That right there is a complete, happy fact family. Now that you've seen the magic, it's your turn. Look at the numbers 2, 6, and 8. What are the four equations for this fact family? I want you to shout them out loud right now. Start with your two addition equations, and then tell me your two subtraction equations. Go for it.
All right, let's check your work. For addition, you should have 2 plus 6 equals 8, and 6 plus 2 equals 8. Then for your subtraction equations, you want to start with the big number. So 8 minus 2 equals 6, and 8 minus 6 equals 2. If you got those, fantastic job. You are officially an amazing fact family master. Okay, are you ready for our next amazing tool? This one is called a number line. Basically, a number line is exactly what it sounds like. It's a straight line with numbers marked perfectly evenly all the way across it. I want you to imagine a giant line painted on the floor right in front of you, starting at 0 and stretching all the way up to 10. Now, the really crucial part is how we move on this line. The rule is super simple. When we are doing addition, we jump forward to bigger numbers. But when we are doing subtraction, we have to jump backward to smaller numbers. It's literally just like playing a giant hopping game. Let's try it out together. Honestly, you can even stand up for this if you want to. Let's pretend we are adding 4 plus 3. Step 1, you start by standing on the number 4. Step 2, jump forward 3 spaces. Hop 1, hop 2, hop 3. Step 3, look down at your imaginary number line. You landed right on 7, and that's because 4 plus 3 is 7. All right, let's test those backwards hopping skills. This time, start on the number 7. We are subtracting, so you need to jump backward 3 spaces. Ready? Hop 1, hop 2, hop 3. Shout out where you landed. Boom! Yes, you landed on the number 4 because 7 minus 3 equals 4. Look at that. You just used a number line to do subtraction, and you did it perfectly. Okay, it's time for our first boss-level word problem challenge. Listen closely. Anna has 6 crayons. She finds 3 more. How many does she have now? I want you to visualize that number line in your head. Start at 6. Now think, are you jumping forward or backward if she finds more crayons? Go ahead and make the jump. If you jumped forward 3 spaces from 6 and landed on 9, give yourself a massive high five. Anna now has 9 crayons in total. Really great job combining the word problem with your new number line strategy. Now, let's take Anna's numbers, which are 6, 3, and 9, and build her very own fact family to show off our combined skills. We have our forward jumps. 6 plus 3 equals 9, and 3 plus 6 equals 9. And then we have our backward jumps. 9 minus 3 equals 6, and 9 minus 6 equals 3. Do you see how all our magical tools work perfectly together? It's pretty incredible. Here's your next challenge. Tom has 4 apples. His mom gives him 5 more. Point right at the screen and trace the jump on an imaginary number line for me. Start at 4 and jump forward 5 spaces. Where do you land? You landed on 9. 9 whole apples for Tom. Congratulations on absolutely crushing these word problems today. You are proving that you can take real-life situations and solve them instantly using these awesome new math tools.
Before we wrap up, I just have to share a magical special case with you. What if your addition problem is 4 plus 4 equals 8? We call this a doubles fact because two of the numbers are exactly the same. Since fact families usually need 3 different numbers, a doubles family only has 2 equations instead of 4. You literally just write 4 plus 4 equals 8 and 8 minus 4 equals 4. So simple, but so special. To celebrate all your incredible hard work on this quest, we are going to do our fact family song. Follow the beat and say it with me loud and proud. 3 numbers in a family, 4 equations they will be. Add them up, subtract them down, that's a fact family C. Finally, let's do a super quick lightning round victory review of some of the magic vocabulary words we learned. An addend is a number you add. The sum is your answer when you do addition, and the difference is your answer when you do subtraction. Keep these magic words in your back pocket for all your future math quests. You did it! You have officially become a fact family and number line master today. You solved problems, you hopped forward and backward, and you learned how numbers work together as a team. So, my brilliant mathematician, I leave you with this final thought. You learned to jump forward and backward today, but what happens if you keep jumping backward past 0? And where do you go then? That is a wild math mystery for another day. Now that you've conquered this math adventure, are you ready to jump into your computer science lesson 7 next? I bet you're going to be just as amazing at that one. Keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next explainer.